What value you give for friendship?
Friendships hold a huge place in my heart, and I'm very happy and proud about the people that I am associated with.
Any special message for those who look up to you every day?
Do the small things consistently every day.
What are your views on Pakistani dramas?
They're very good. The subtlety of their dramas are so nice, but that adaptation cannot happen in India.
This is Drishti Priya from Mumbai. Which is more important for him, money or character?
जब अपना टाइम भी आएगा एज अ लीड मिला था मुझे, उसके साथ मुझे नागिन मिला था एंड आई वाज गेटिंग पेड 6 times more देन आई गॉट पेड इन अपना टाइम भी आएगा. मैंने कहा नहीं, वो फ्रेंचाइज है और उस फ्रेंचाइज का सिर्फ नाम है. उस फ्रेंचाइज में मैं काम करके मुझे कैरेक्टर सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलने वाला.
Who's your biggest support and motivation in your life?
My biggest support are my parents. My biggest inspiration was my brother
Faraz.
Faraz, yes.
Do you think about mortality?
I do. I believe that I can talk to the people, not exactly talk and have responses, but I am connected somehow to them. When I need something, when I feel a certain loneliness, I need to look up into the sky and I say, I don't understand how to figure this out. Probably just figure it out for me. So that is the connection that I would say that I have with people that are there, that are not here. Hi guys, this is Faman Khan, and you're watching this exclusive interview on Connect Cine with the wonderful Faridun.
Faman, we've taken a few fan questions. Let's
Right.
see what your fans are saying. Faman, what are your impressions of Ranbir Singh Bajwa's character? This is Nadia from Indonesia.
Very different from what television norms are, what television heroes are. I think I love the way they wrote the character. The character started off very mellow, very soft, and it still is, as opposed to a lot of characters that are in television that come out as heroes. You know, tough fighters who can kick the shit out of 10 people at once. But Ranbir was a soft human who knew his place in life, very sure about himself, but yet completely soft. And बाजवा फैमिली का जो अपना रुतबा है, अपना पावर है, उससे इसको कोई लेना देना नहीं है. For me, when I started the character, I was completely questioning every single thing that I was doing every day, because मुझे लगता था कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. You know, I felt like मैं वहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ और मैं अपनी लाइन बोल रहा हूँ और मैं घर वापस आ रहा हूँ और मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. But as I kept doing it, I kept understanding that that's the idea of that character, to not make too much out of situations and to be as calm in a situation that is completely probably chaotic, yet be calm and handle it in that same calmness. And when you're calm in life, I think you say things very soft, slow and easy manner, and you don't have to overreact to things and, you know, eyebrow movements and stuff like that. You don't do that as people, and people who are calm at least. So my impression of Ranbir is a guy who lived life on his own terms, never fell in love, and did for the first time now. Doesn't know how to react to it, but someone who has his pride. But I think he's attracted to a person who is a little more softer, and that's what that's why he's attracted to Meghla. And his character is a pilot, although he's from the Bajwa Parivar, which is a very big powerhouse apparently in the show. And so yeah, that's the impression of Ranbir Singh Bajwa.
This is Surabhi from Dharwad, India. Hey Faridun, please ask Faman, how was the experience of learning and dancing Dhunuchi dance?
I burnt my nose. If you can see it, a little bit of dot is still left here, because वो बाकी चीज़ें तो मैंने अडेप्ट कर ली थी, पर वो धुनुची को ना ऐसे लोग they keep it in their mouth like that and then they do the rest of the dance. So I think the mistake was done was that the धुनुची was little smaller than the general धुनुची. They thought तो छोटा लेके आएंगे तो easy हो जाएगा इसको मुँह पे रख के डांस करने के लिए, पर वो छोटा होने के कारण क्या हो गया, उसका वो जो गैप था उन दोनों के बीच में वो छोटा हो गया. वो जो डांसर जिसने मुझे सिखाया ये, उसकी नाक थी चपटी, छोटी नाक थी उसकी, तो उस बंदे को कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा. मेरी शार्पर नाक है, तो आई थिंक 2-3 टेक व्हेन आई वाज रिहर्सिंग इट वाज फाइन, बट एज इट वेंट डाउन टू द टेक आई काइंड ऑफ टच्ड माय नोज थ्राइस, so that's still there now. So yeah, experience was nice. It's a lot of things to do, and it's a dance that needs to take time to learn. And मुझे सिर्फ आधा घंटा मिला था, पर जितना मैंने किया मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा बहुत तो मैंने जस्टिफाई किया होगा उसको. I hope so.
First of all, lots of respect to both Fs. अच्छा, Okay,
Well,
first
the
of all,
F
lots
square,
of
yeah.
respect to both Fs. One question about value. What value you give for friendship? I always pray to God for your health and safety. I'm not having the name over here.
थैंक यू सो मच, अप्रिशिएट इट एंड आप लोगों की दुआ हैं, ऑनेस्टली मुझे पता है ये चीज़, इसलिए यहाँ तक इतना काम करते हुए मैं आ रहा हूँ और हेल्दी भी हूँ, देख रहे हैं आप. फ्रेंडशिप फॉर मी इज़ होल्ड्स द biggest space in my heart. I believe कि दोस्ती इज़ नॉट अबाउट कि आप रोज़ इंसान को कॉल करो, रोज़ उससे बात करो, रोज़ आप टच में रहो, पर जब या उस इंसान को आपकी ज़रूरत हो तो आपको एहसास हो जाता है कि आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई फील दैट सडनली आई गेट अ फीलिंग कि मुझे आई थिंक आई शुड कॉल दिस पर्सन एंड मोर टाइम्स देन नॉट दैट पर्सन नीड्स मी एट दैट पॉइंट और नॉट जस्ट हैज़ अ I think needs that comfort from me. Or I feel the same thing about my friends. They call me at the time that I kind of need them. I'm someone who would not pick up the phone and call someone and tell them कि you know what, मुझे feel अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है यार, मुझे ऐसी problem हो गई है यार. But I've had my friends who have done that, immediately called me at that time, and I've told them. So I think friendship is something you choose for yourself, and you make connections in this world. Relationships are something you're born with. So friendships are much more deeper in connection, and they, as you grow older, you realize when I grew up as a teenager, I had thousands of friends. Like my hangout used to be with 18-20 people in one chai tapri. But बड़े होते होते 2, 3, 4 maximum बच गए. तो my father used to tell me when I was a child, he says, so lesser friends that you have, the more of a man you're becoming. So I didn't understand that. I said, like, "Kya? I am a man." That was a teenager who was talking. But I think, yeah, friendships hold a huge place in my heart, and I'm very happy and proud about the people that I am associated with. I can't associate with too many people at this point. I like my space.
That's amazing. Okay, this is Ruhi from Ruhi from India. Hey, hi Fami, how do you feel playing the new character Ranveer Singh Bajwa as a pilot? I think you've already answered
Yeah.
that. But how do you react to this Fami element and उसमें बाद में एक heart भी है.
अच्छा लगता है यार. Family is something that has started when I came to Mumbai. It started when I was playing cricket. तो जब वो क्रिकेट ग्राउंड पे होते हैं तो चेयर करते हैं एक दूसरे को, तो फहमान बोलना मुश्किल हो जाता है सबको, तो फैमिली इजी हो जाता है. एंड व्हेन आई थिंक दे हर्ड अ फ्यू टाइम्स और समवन कमेंटेड अ फ्यू टाइम्स ऑन द ग्राउंड, एंड सो देन दे आल्सो स्टार्टेड दैट. इट्स क्यूट, इट्स नाइस, एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी स्वीट. जो दिल से कनेक्शन है लोगों का, दो लोग
Right.
बुलाते हैं.
And apparently Salman Khan called you Feman.
फहमान.
Feman.
हाँ, वो उसके बाद से मैं करेक्ट करता ही रह गया हूँ लोगों को. इट्स फहमान. एंड मुझे एक सेकंड के लिए मैं अंदर बैठा था वहाँ पे, आई थिंक बिग बॉस हाउस में, एंड व्हेन सलमान सेड सो फहमान, तो एक सेकंड के लिए मुझे दिल में आया. मैंने कहा सर आप फहमान ना बोले, फहमान बोल दें, क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया वही बुलाने लगेगी. फिर मुझे लगा कि अभी बोलूँगा तो गलत हो जाएगा रहने देता हूँ इस चीज़ को. तो आई डिडंट से एनीथिंग, but that's taking a lot of that's taking time to correct. Fahman is the pronunciation.
Okay.
But I'm telling you, I've heard very different weird names for myself. So Fahman is still okay.
What are the weird ones?
मैं फ़ोन पे तो अजीब से नाम, अहमान, रहमान, फहमान पे कोई पहुंचता नहीं है. I was talking to one cop caught me once. So he asked me my name, so he was writing. So I said, नाम क्या है? नाम क्या है? I said, Fahman. He said, Fahman. I said, नहीं, Fahman. He said, हाँ, Fahman. I said, Fahman. He said, नहीं, Fahman. Then I understood वो बोल Fahman ही रहे थे.
अच्छा.
पर उनका वो टंग
लिस्प
लिस्प उनका ऐसा था कि वो सामान निकल रहा था उनके मुंह से. Yeah.
Okay, this is Darayan from Pakistan. Khan, you are a true inspiration. Your hard work and passion motivates countless fans to choose their dreams. Your journey proves anything is possible with dedication. Any special message for those who look up to you every day?
Do the small things consistently every day, without fail. If you're doing something, make it a habit in life. It is not something you do only for a certain period of time and then say कि हाँ मैंने इतना कर लिया है तो इसके आगे मैं ब्रेक ले सकता हूँ. breaks are good, but breaks also have to have the consistency of your livelihood. And when you take a break, you can't go all out and say कि हाँ मैं ना इतना काम किया इतना कुछ किया है तो मैं अभी पागल हो जाऊँगा. I think the small things in life, the very regular things in life, monotony should be consistent. What you do every day, the regularity of things should be consistent. And when you keep doing that every day, all your results will start flowing. Do not worry too much about the result. Keep your the process of it very simple, but the process needs to be what you're enjoying and not just keep striving to get to the final destination. क्योंकि final destination तो कभी पहुंचोगे नहीं आप. ये journey है, ज़िंदगी एक पूरा एक journey है और ये चलती रहेगी और इसमें आप जितना खुश रहोगे, जितना आप खुश रहने की कोशिश करोगे, उतना ही आप सुकून में रहोगे.
Right. Okay, what are your views on Pakistani dramas?
They're very good, very good. But I'll tell you, the subtlety of their dramas are so nice. But that adaptation cannot happen in India. You know, I've watched, I think, Iqra Aziz का एक show देखा था मैंने, नाम याद नहीं है.
खुदा और मोहब्बत.
नहीं, एक और था. बहुत झगड़े होते हैं इन दोनों के, लड़का लड़की के. खैर जो भी है.
और रील भी कई वायरल है एक.
हाँ वही भी देखो. तो I think they're very soft, subtle, and very beautifully written, very beautifully acted, very beautifully shot, and I like them. I think it's a very nice medium to have in a very nice way of portrayal of stories, and the fact that they have only about 100 episodes each season, and they're done with their stories.
Right.
But that adaptation in India is not possible. Because here, see, I'll tell you, it's I think how people are in India, where we are dramatic people. And, you know, that's just our nature. And especially the rural areas, people who are watching what we are doing are dramatic people. We love a little bit of drama in our lives. No one likes the monotony, the softness of life, in India at least. तो दैट्स what we are just enhancing. यहाँ पे प्यार का मतलब भी तो होता है ना कि आप फील करते हो कि हवा में बाल उड़े हैं, आप उस इंसान का हाथ छुएं तो आपको कुछ फील हो, फिर आप उसके पास जाओ तो उसके गाल पे आपने हाथ रखा, उसके बाल आपने पीछे किए. ये सब हम चाहते हैं हम करें हमारी ज़िंदगी में. हम बस टेलीविज़न में क्या करते हैं, उस चीज़ को एनहेंस करके, हाई स्पीड करके, ड्रामेटाइज करके वो दिखाते हैं. और जो कलेश होते हैं घर पे हमारे, आपने देखा अगर जॉइंट फैमिलीज़ हैं तो कलेश तो होते ही हैं, बहुत सारे होते हैं जो अंदर ही अंदर निपट जाते हैं. पर यहाँ टेलीविज़न में थोड़ा ड्रामा ऐड करने के लिए वो बाहर वालों को बुलाकर खड़ा कर देता हूँ ताकि लोग देख सकें कि क्या हो रहा है. तो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन टेलीविजन. व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन द रेगुलर लाइव्स ऑफ पीपल इज़ व्हाट इज़ ड्रामेटाइज्ड एंड लिटिल मोर एनहांस्ड एंड शोन इन इंडिया.
Okay, this is Shrutika from India. What challenges you face while portraying Ranbir? Every time he learns something new from the characters he plays, is there any impact of Ranbir's character in his life? What he learned from this character?
I think the biggest learning I had again with this character is to not be dramatic. And if you're feeling a certain way, stand by it. No matter who says what to you. His entire family was against the person he loves. Still is against the girl that he loves. But he does not give a rat's. You know, he doesn't care about that. He says, you know what, that's your opinion. I think that's a big thing I've learned over here. Someone else's opinion does not derive or does not drive what I feel about someone or something. I think it's very opinionative, and you are completely okay to have your opinion. But I stand by what I believe. I stand by what I feel. And that's what Ranbir is still doing. The entire family is against him being in love with her. But he says, you know what, I agree, theek hai. And there's a scene where the father says, you know what, I never liked that girl. He says, okay, I understand. That's your opinion. I'm not asking you to change your opinion. पर मेरा ये है और मेरा चॉइस है ये. तो मैं अपना चॉइस आप पर थोप नहीं रहा हूँ, लेकिन इतना समझ लीजिए कि आप अपना चॉइस मुझ पर नहीं थोप सकते. ये मेरा है and I will keep it.
Okay, this is what message would you like to share with your fans from around the world who support and love your work? This is lots of love from Sweden. नाम नहीं है.
So sweet. Thank you so much. First of all, lots of love to you too. You know that there is a mutual understanding, mutual love between both of us, and the connection that I have with my fans is very genuine. मैंने बहुत रियल रखा है इस चीज़ को. एंड बस आप लोग इतना समझ लीजिए कि खुश रहना है, मुस्कुराते रहना है, और कभी लाइफ को जितना हो सके उतना सिंपल तरीके से बिताने की कोशिश करना है. लॉट ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेशंस कीप कमिंग इन लाइफ, एंड लॉट ऑफ इमोशंस कीप गोइंग हेवायर. यू फील अप्स एंड डाउन्स, बिकॉज वेर 71% वाटर यार. तो हमारे अंदर जो 70% वाटर है ना, वो तो ऐसे ही बहता रहने वाला है. और मुझे लगता है कि जितना वो बहे, उतना वो मूवमेंट करेगा, उतना आपके इमोशंस उछलते रहेंगे. देयर आर टाइम्स आई फील द सेम एट दिस पॉइंट ऑल्सो, विच इज़ गुड. प्रोसेस देम, अंडरस्टैंड दोज इमोशंस, लेट देम हैपन टू यू, एंड देयर इज ऑलवेज अ बेटर टुमारो. So just live, love, and laugh and enjoy your life.
This is Drishti Priya from Mumbai. Which is more important for him? Which is more important for him, money or character? P.S. We fans love all the characters he plays because he makes fiction look real with his terrific acting. That's why expectations are high from him always.
Thank you, Drishti. So sweet of you. If money was important, I probably wouldn't have played the characters that I played. Very honestly. My पहला show, I'll give you a story. जब अपना टाइम भी आएगा, एज अ लीड मिला था मुझे, उसके साथ मुझे नागिन मिला था. एंड आई वाज गेटिंग पेड 6 times मोर देन आई गॉट पेड इन अपना टाइम भी आएगा. माई फ्रेंड वॉज एट होम व्हेन आई वाज हैविंग दैट कॉल विद माई मैनेजर दैट टाइम. ही स्टिल माई मैनेजर. एंड ही केप्ट टेलिंग मी, सर इतना पैसा मिल रहा है उसमें, क्यों, क्या करना है उसका? मैंने कहा नहीं. मैं कहा वो फ्रेंचाइज है, और उस फ्रेंचाइज का सिर्फ नाम है. उस फ्रेंचाइज में मैं काम करके मुझे कैरेक्टर सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलने वाला है. पर इसमें इतना कम पैसा, मैंने कहा चलेगा, यही चाहिए मुझे, क्योंकि शो मेरा होगा, कैरेक्टर मुझे बनाने का मौका मिलेगा, मैं उस चीज़ को अपना मान के चल सकता हूँ. तो एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव डन. एंड फॉर मी कैरेक्टर्स मैटर अ लॉट. आई नो दैट यू ऑल, एवरी टाइम आई स्टार्ट, एंड दिस हैपेंस एवरी टाइम आई स्टार्ट अ कैरेक्टर, दे फील कि अभी अलग क्या कर सकते हो आप. यू नो, एक टाइम के बाद ना आपको खुद समझ में नहीं आता, क्योंकि आप तो आप ही हो. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हर बार मैं बात करने का तरीका शायद बदल सकता हूँ, लेकिन बात तो मेरे मुंह से ही निकलेगी. बॉडी लैंग्वेज तो मेरी ही होगी कहीं ना कहीं. दैट 70-30 रेशियो इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी देयर. सो जितना हो सके वो 70% को हावी होने देना, देन द 30% इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. And that's what I try and do as much as I can. And I believe, like you said, I really believe there's a lot more left for me to do. And I am not
Yeah,
satisfied.
absolutely.
I am not satisfied with anything that I have done until now. I believe that everything I have done until now was just me learning the craft, learning the process of it. And इसके आगे कोई तो एक होगा यार कैरेक्टर मेरे लिए, जिसमें मुझे लगेगा कि यार मैंने फाड़ दिया इसमें. पर वो मुझे अच्छा है, ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ कि अच्छा हो, जल्दी आ ना हो ताकि मैं और काम करता रहूँ अपने आप पर.
Right, this is Julia from Ontario. What does friendship mean to you, and who is your biggest support and motivation in your life? I think friendship आपने already
Friendship
बोल दिया
मैंने कर
है.
दिया.
Who is your biggest support and motivation in your life?
My biggest support are my parents. Truth be told, there's no one away from that. My biggest inspiration was my brother. And
Faraz.
Faraz, yes. And my family is my support. My brothers, my sister, मेरी भाभी जो हैं, और मेरी cousins जो हैं. My parents तो first आते ही हैं, पर they've always been constant support to me. They're completely believing in everything that I do, completely watching everything that I do. I give the entire credit to them. And my aunts keep calling me and talking to me about my characters and asking me कि अब ये हो गया तो अभी क्या. उनके लिए तो ना वो character नहीं होता, वो real हो जाता है. When they talk to me like they're talking to that person. And that's a very sweet thing to listen to and talk to. You know, even my mom also, she's पसंद कर लिए क्या उसको, हाँ अभी शादी कर लोगे उससे. मैं कहा माँ मैं हूँ, मैं नहीं हूँ कोई और है. So they are the biggest support in my life. My biggest motivation was my brother.
Do you think about mortality?
I do.
Especially when one loses a closed one, and that too at an early age. Is
I
that
think, you
the
know
thought
what,
that crosses?
I think I'm spiritually I'm in the spiritual space of my life where I believe that I can talk to the people, not exactly talk and have responses, but I am connected somehow to them. And
You
I
mentioned
believe,
that last time.
I believe that that person is actually there in this universe somewhere, at some place, watching and understanding and feeling the same things that I am feeling. Although I'm not able to see that person, or maybe that person is not able to see me, but I know that in my heart somewhere that feeling of being in the same universe is still there. And that is how I look at this. And when I need something, when I feel a certain loneliness, I feel a certain requirement, not a requirement, that's just too nothing shallow to say. If you need a little bit of guidance to something, different people have guided me in different ways in life. And the guidance that I needed from, if I do need something from him, I think it was just, I need to look up into the sky and I say, I don't understand how to figure this out. Probably just figure it out for me, or give me a sign, or just let me know. Maybe I could feel what to do. And it's not an answer that comes to you, कि हाँ ये लिख के तुझे दे रहा हूँ, ये कर ले. But I think my ways in life become, and I open up doors in ways where I can eventually do the thing that is right for me. So that is the connection that I would say that I have with people that are there, that are not here in this world.
This is Poonam from USA. One question: how do you stay positive when life tests you? Happy holidays, Faman. See,
Thank you.
basically, ये USA में holidays
Happy holidays चल रहा है.
हाँ.
Thanksgiving is going on, you know.
Yeah.
I got a message today also, Ashni said. But how to stay positive in this world? It's honestly, I have my days of not being positive at all. But I think it's okay. It's completely alright. You can't be positive every day. If you be positive every day, but the positivity आती है आपके दिल में, तो आपको फर्क कैसे समझ में आएगा? जब you're feeling a certain negativity or feeling a certain way that you're not happy about, something's going on in your heart, something's going on in your mind, your body is functioning in a certain way, your heart's, beating faster. I think what you need to do at that point is sit down, breathe, have a glass of water, and if you have the habit of writing, write down how you're feeling. I've been doing that recently. I never used to write before, but in the recent times I've been doing that. I think it helps. Writing down how you're feeling.
Journaling, like.
Journaling, basically. Just putting down everything that you're feeling on a paper. And then from there, I think the next day when you're feeling good, there are times that you're going to feel good also. Write that down too. And when you're feeling low, try and read the positive things that you've written. It's a beautiful way of connecting with yourself more often than not. And positivity is a state of mind. And you need to constantly keep telling yourself that. It's not something you're going to keep feeling all the time. But you have to keep telling yourself that I am positive. I know this will work out for me. Even if the things that you believe should have worked out do not work out for you, all you do is tell yourself that, all right, if it has not worked out, then I think it is for the right reasons. I think there is something much, much better in store for me. And that's how you put yourself into a positive space of mind.
That's amazing. Okay, and finally, would you like to say something to your friend Ashni? बहुत ही कमाल की devotion है आपके लिए, और I think she's going through a bit of a tough time right now.
Yeah, I spoke to her
health-wise.
So she's one of the most amazing persons I've ever met. She is such a giver, so much positivity in life, such a big heart. Ashni, you are a gem of a person. You're a darling. You're an angel come from heaven, very honestly. And I know that you believe the same about me, for you. And so I think most people who are so beautiful as human beings go through the toughest of times, because I believe that the universe and God is testing you and is continuously giving you that power to go through that and become bigger and better and more beautiful as a person. So every time that you feel a little low, please understand that this is you being given a more powerful tool to sustain with yourself and give more, because that's what you are, and you're an amazing human being.